A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a gripping legal showdown, Prince Harry has taken his fight for better security arrangements to the Court of Appeal, arguing that his life is at stake due to changes made after stepping back from royal duties. The Duke of Sussex, who now resides in California, is challenging the Home Office's decision that he should not receive automatic police protection while in the UK. This case, which has drawn significant public attention, highlights the ongoing struggles of the prince as he navigates life outside the royal family. During the final day of the two-day hearing, Harry's lawyer, Shahid Fatima KC, emphasized the human element of the case, stating, "One must not forget the human dimension to this case. There is a person sitting behind me whose safety, whose security, and whose life is at stake." This poignant remark underscores the seriousness of Harry's concerns, particularly in light of recent threats against him, including alarming calls from extremist groups. Harry's return to London for the appeal marks a significant moment as he attended the Royal Courts of Justice, dressed in a dark blue suit and engaging closely with his legal team. Observers noted his attentive demeanor as he took notes and participated actively in the proceedings. The atmosphere grew tense when a member of the public voiced support for the prince, suggesting that media scrutiny was a driving factor behind his departure from England. The legal battle stems from a 2020 decision made by the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures, REVEC, which deemed that Harry would not receive the same level of protection as before due to his decision to step back from royal duties. The Home Office's representative, Sir James Eadie KC, defended this decision, arguing that it was made under unique circumstances and that the approach taken was appropriate given Harry's new status. In previous court filings, Fatima highlighted the dangers Harry faces, citing a recent incident where he and his wife, Meghan Markle, experienced a dangerous chase with paparazzi in New York City. The lawyer argued that the lack of a proper risk assessment by REVEC meant that Harry's security needs were inadequately addressed, leaving him vulnerable. The appeal follows a previous ruling by retired High Court Judge Sir Peter Lane, who upheld REVEC's decision as lawful. However, Harry was granted permission to appeal, indicating that the courts recognize the importance of the issues at stake. During the proceedings, Fatima argued that Harry's case should be treated on par with other VIPs seeking protective security, rather than through a bespoke process that she claimed was inferior. As the hearing progressed, the judges acknowledged the complexity of the case, with parts of the discussions held in private to protect sensitive information. The court's decision is expected to be released in writing at a later date, with indications that it may take until after Easter for a judgment to be made. In a parallel development, King Charles and Queen Camilla were engaged in a state visit to Italy, where they met with Pope Francis. This meeting, initially planned as a formal state visit, was adjusted due to the Pope's recent health issues. The couple celebrated their 20th wedding anniversary during the visit, with Charles humorously acknowledging the occasion during a state banquet. As the legal proceedings unfold, the contrast between Harry's fight for security and his family's royal engagements highlights the ongoing tensions within the British royal family. The outcome of this appeal could have significant implications for Harry's future visits to the UK and his overall safety as he continues to navigate life away from the royal spotlight. The public remains divided on the issue, with some expressing sympathy for Harry's plight while others question the necessity of royal protection for a prince who has chosen to step back from his royal duties. Regardless of the outcome, this case serves as a reminder of the complexities surrounding royal life in the modern age, where personal safety and public scrutiny often collide in dramatic fashion. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.